So just taking a quick look at Solana then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, Bitcoin dumping the market today, and Solana has been following suit. You can see quite clearly here, Solana has been just marching to the upside in general. It's just basically been, you know, heading back, grinding back towards that previous all-time high here. Continuing to the upside, looking really strong. Bitcoin, as I said, obviously dumping the market today. Look at the hourly time frame, you can see quite clearly. Been consolidating for how long is this? A week or so? In this quite obvious uniform range. We did finally come down, sweep through this level of liquidity that's been building up. You can see there's quite a lot of liquidity in this area that probably needed to get swept for more upside. You can see I've had a very decent drop here, back down into a few of these previous fair value gap areas. And right now Bitcoin consolidating after London Open dumping the markets, after already coming down to support. As you can see, one of two things will happen here. Will obviously reverse back around, in my opinion, pretty quickly like this. After having such a sharp move to the downside, I can imagine we would either invert and get a nice big V shape back up pretty quickly like this, or Bitcoin's probably just going to grind to the side and then slowly trickle down to this next level of support. These are probably the two scenarios that I would say are most likely, and obviously that will affect the rest of the market, including Solana here. As you can see, Solana dropped to the downside, as I said, and we've come down into this area here where not much is going on. Lots and lots of built up liquidity for all of our cryptos that have just had a big sweep. You can see Solana here was building up a lot of liquidity to come down and get swept here before we go hopefully get a bounce like this. But as I said, Solana here looking okay, but really we are in a bit of a precarious spot in general. If Bitcoin does continue to go to the downside, we could see a pretty big pullback for altcoins. Right now Bitcoin is starting the week off pretty bearish. Let's see if we can get a reversal out of this previous area of support. Hopefully this would be what I would call a Judas swing, where we swing down, sweep loads of liquidity, and then just continue back to the upside. We'll have to wait and see, but Bitcoin right now looking like it's in a little bit of a precarious spot, and we're going to have to see if we can get a bounce this week. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.